Okay, it's done. We need to park your bicycle na. Oo, ganito. Good job. Good job. Yes. Very good. Kiss Mama. Magbutang tag-ipit sa imong hair, okay? Sige. Oh! Dati na mamuli ko. Kita. Wala na siya karon sa kilid. Oh, di ba? Tana siya. Ay. Hinay-hinay launta na. Hinay-hinay launta. Hinay-hinay launta na. Hinay-hinay launta.
I want faster.
You want faster?
Yeah.
Agoy, sige. Aba, maghinay-hinay pagka kay basig piang ka. Ha? Magkuha tag-ipit?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Come on.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
I feel again.
You feel again?
Yeah. I feel again.
Okay, yeah, you are.
Sorry. What's up, Mama?
Parang na din ha sa kilid din ha, oh.
Sorry.
Oh, it's fine. You don't need to say sorry.
Huh?
Ang importante, are you okay? Okay ka?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're okay ka lang?
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't need to say sorry sa kanang kahoy. I'm worried about you. Are you okay?
Yeah. I want faster now.
No, just ride slowly, not faster. Okay.
I want faster.
You want faster?
Yeah.
Nahinila na ko, mabiang ko. Katangan. Kita pagliko. Dati na siya. Ha? Isa mo na nakita?
I don't know.
Yay!
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Dahil anak, ready na nigasan mo?
Yeah.
Masarap?